Living things and their environment. Grade 5. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our fascinating journey into the world of vertebrates. Today, we will explore the unique characteristics that define vertebrates and learn about the diverse groups that make up this incredible animal kingdom. What are vertebrates? Let's start with the basics. What exactly are vertebrates? Vertebrates are animals that have a backbone. This defining feature sets them apart from invertebrates, which lack a backbone. But there's so much more to vertebrates than just their spines. Now that we understand what makes a vertebrate, let's explore the major groups of vertebrates and their unique characteristics. Vertebrates include 1. Mammals. 2. Reptile. 3. Fish. 4. Birds. 5. Amphibians. Amphibians. Here are the examples of amphibians. Frog. Newt. Toad. Salamander. Use this mnemonic to remember amphibians. France. Fro for frog. N for newt. S for salamander. T for toad. Characteristics of amphibians. Amphibians are characterized by their ability to live both in water and on land, hence their name, which comes from the Greek word amphibios, meaning both kinds of life. Here are some key features and information about amphibians. Amphibians have moist skin, which is essential for their survival in moist environments and often contains mucus glands. Amphibians use multiple methods for breathing, including gills, in tadpoles, then lungs, in adults. Most amphibians lay eggs in water. These eggs are unfertilized and do not have hard shells but are instead surrounded by a jelly-like substance that protects the developing embryos. This means that amphibians fertilize their eggs externally. The eggs hatch into tadpoles. Amphibians are cold-blooded because their body temperature is regulated by external environmental conditions. Amphibians can thrive in a wide range of environments by adjusting their activity levels based on the temperature. For instance, they can bask in the sun to raise their body temperature and become more active, or seek shade or burrow into the ground to cool down. Welcome to the fascinating world of reptiles, the diverse and ancient group of animals that have roamed the earth for millions of years. Today, we'll explore the unique characteristics, habitats, and behaviors of these incredible creatures. Reptiles are a class of cold-blooded animals known as reptilia, and they include gecko, turtle, lizard, Chameleon. Tortoise. Crocodile. Snake. You can use this mnemonic to remember these common examples of reptiles. G to licha to crow SNA. G for gecko. T for turtle. L for lizard. Ch for chameleon. T for tortoise. Crow for crocodile. SNA for snake. Characteristics of reptiles. Reptiles reproduce through egg-laying, with some species exhibiting fascinating parental care behaviors. For instance, female crocodiles guard their nests, while sea turtles embark on incredible migrations to lay their eggs on sandy beaches. Fertilization occurs internally. Most reptiles lay their eggs on dry land. Reptiles have dry, scaly skin that helps prevent water loss, which is crucial for surviving in dry environments. Reptiles breathe air through lungs. Reptiles are cold-blooded. They rely on external sources to regulate their body temperature. Reptiles are a testament to the wonders of evolution and adaptation. By understanding and protecting these remarkable animals, we can appreciate the vital roles they play in our world's biodiversity. There are over 30,000 known species of fish, making them the most diverse group of vertebrates on Earth. From the tiny, vibrant clownfish to the majestic, tilapia, shark, each species has evolved to thrive in its specific environment. Let's dive into the key characteristics that define fish. First, most fish have streamlined bodies, which help them move efficiently through water. Their bodies are covered with scales that provide protection and reduce friction. These scales come in different types, each providing various levels of protection and mobility. One of the defining features of fish is their ability to breathe underwater. Unlike mammals, fish have gills, specialized organs that extract oxygen from water. As water flows over the gill membranes, oxygen is absorbed into the bloodstream, allowing fish to thrive in aquatic environments. Fish are cold-blooded, meaning they do not produce sufficient internal heat to maintain a constant body temperature. Instead, their body temperature fluctuates with the temperature of their environment. They may move to different depths or areas of water to find optimal temperatures for their metabolic processes. Fish reproduction is as diverse as the fish themselves. Most fish lay eggs. This process, known as spawning, can take place in a myriad of environments, from freshwater rivers to the vast ocean. In most fish species, fertilization occurs externally. The female releases eggs into the water, and the male releases sperm simultaneously, allowing the eggs to be fertilized outside of the body. This method increases the chances of fertilization due to the sheer number of eggs and sperm released. From their diverse forms and behaviors to their essential roles in our world, fish are truly remarkable creatures. Fish play crucial roles in ecosystems and human life. They are a vital food source for millions of people and help maintain the balance of aquatic environments.
9, 10.
Welcome to the incredible world of mammals. From the vast savannas of Africa to the bustling cities of the world, mammals are among the most diverse and adaptable creatures on Earth. Today, we'll explore the unique characteristics that define mammals and highlight some of their remarkable behaviors and adaptations. Mammals are a class of vertebrates that share several distinctive characteristics. All mammals have hair or fur at some stage in their lives, which provides insulation and, in some species, camouflage. Another defining trait is the presence of mammary glands, which produce milk to nourish their young ones. This unique ability to nurse their offspring allows mammal babies to grow rapidly and develop strong bonds with their mothers. Mammalian reproduction is a complex and fascinating process that varies significantly among different species. Most mammals give birth. For example, lions give birth to cubs. Goats give birth to kids. Cows give birth to calves. Humans give birth to babies. Some mammals lay eggs. They include 1. Spiny anteater. Spiny anteater have spiny coats, long snouts, and specialized tongues for catching ants and termites. They possess strong claws for digging. Female spiny anteater lay a single egg, which is then placed into a pouch on the mother's abdomen. The egg hatches after about 10 days, and the young, called puggles, continue to develop in the pouch, feeding on milk. 2. Duck-billed platypus. Female platypuses lay 1 to 3 eggs, which they incubate in a burrow for about 10 days. After hatching, the young are fed with milk secreted from mammary glands, as platypuses lack nipples. Unlike cold-blooded animals, mammals are warm-blooded because they can regulate their internal body temperature, keeping it stable regardless of the outside environment. When it's cold, mammals shiver to generate extra heat. Muscles contract and relax rapidly, producing warmth through friction and increased metabolic activity. When it's too hot, mammals have developed various cooling mechanisms. Dogs, for instance, pant to evaporate moisture from their tongues, cooling the blood that circulates through their bodies. Breathing, or respiration, involves inhaling oxygen and exhaling carbon dioxide. This exchange happens in the lungs, intricate organs designed to maximize the efficiency of this process. In mammals, breathing is both involuntary and voluntary. While we can control our breath to some extent, like when speaking or singing, most of the time it happens automatically, thanks to the brainstem. Dolphins, whales and seals are some of mammals that live in water. Bat is the only mammal that flies. Mammals are a testament to the incredible adaptability and resilience of life on Earth. From the tiniest shrew to the largest whale, each species plays a vital role in the tapestry of our planet's ecosystems. Welcome to the amazing world of birds. These incredible creatures captivate us with their beauty, songs, and astonishing abilities. Examples of birds. One, chicken. Two, duck. Three, turkey. Four, ostrich. Five, flamingo. Six, eagle. Characteristics of birds. Birds reproduce by laying eggs. They build nests to protect their eggs and young from predators and harsh weather. Nest building is a skillful and sometimes intricate process, with each species having its own unique approach. Birds also possess a unique respiratory system. Their lungs are connected to air sacs, allowing for a continuous flow of air through the lungs. Birds are warm-blooded, which means they can maintain a constant internal body temperature. This allows them to thrive in a variety of environments, from the icy poles to scorching deserts. Their feathers help them to regulate their body temperature and insulate them against heat loss. Birds have beaks instead of teeth, and the shape of a bird's beak is often adapted to its diet and lifestyle. Their beaks and feet are covered with scales. Thank you for joining us on this journey to explore the wonderful characteristics of vertebrates. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more. Thank you.